big hurricane.
Sounds like it.
Now, as we look at the live Viper radar,
we're acting like we don't have storms on the radar right now.
No, I mean, it was
moment of levity.
Bertha actually, I think, was a major hurricane. One of the times they recycled the names. But as we look at live Viper radar, we are tracking showers and thunderstorms out to the west, and you can see along the Interstate 35 corridor, these storms have actually weakened considerably compared to where they were in West Texas. But you can see they're moving through the heart of the Metroplex right now. Severe thunderstorm warning has expired, so that's a good sign. And I don't anticipate that these are going to be that much of an issue for places like Tyler and Longview. Rain chances, they're going to remain in check, I think, and the severe weather threat, I think, will remain low for tonight. But again, things could change because there are a lot of things on Futurecast right now that would indicate that we will have some redevelopment out to the west. It's just a matter of when as opposed to if, because the timing of it is still up in the air. But by midnight tonight, we will be starting to see some storms in our northwestern counties. That includes Hopkins and Rains County, which are both under a severe thunderstorm watch. And other than those two counties being under a watch, we have no other alerts here in East Texas, so we have come through today pretty good. 3 o'clock in the morning, that's when we could see another round of rain moving through the area. And then as we move through about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're still seeing a few storms around. We will see heavy rain at times. This is 10 o'clock Wednesday morning, and you can see those scattered showers and thunderstorms moving from southwest and northeast, and the heavy rain will be persistent as we look at your Thursday morning at 4 o'clock. Rain chances, they've moved off to the east, and we will see the backside of the system, which will bring in much drier air for the day on Thursday, and I do expect plenty of sunshine then as well. But we are under a slight risk of severe weather. It does include all the area for Wednesday. And flash flooding, it's still a threat, especially if we do see multiple waves of precipitation. The damaging wind threat's at a medium. The hail threat is between a low and a medium, and the tornado threat remains low. And I think that tornado threat has decreased drastically compared to where it was not too long ago, because we didn't see any of those individual storms get going, which is a good sign. 1 to 3 inches of rain possible over the next 7 days. And as we look at your low temperatures, we will fall into the upper 60s. High temperatures back into the 70s in the afternoon. And as we look at the next 7 days, we will see a chance of storms tomorrow, and then Thursday and Friday will remain dry. Lots of sunshine. 60s on Thursday. We'll be back to 76 Friday. And then we'll be in the 80s this weekend. So it's going to be a comfortable weekend with a bit of variability between the daytime highs and the daytime low temperatures. And then as we look at deep East Texas, same deal. Some severe weather a possibility tonight and tomorrow morning, but we will be dry on Thursday. Isaac, Casey.